Welcome traders, in today's video we are going to talk about a very unique Heikin Ashi candlestick scalping strategy. This strategy is a real day trading strategy that allows you to open multiple positions per day. We trade on the 1 minute time frame, and I recommend watching the entire video as this strategy can change your trading career. But before this video starts, I have a good news for you guys. I have created a Telegram VIP Signals channel. First 200 members can join it for free, so make sure to join it fast so you can make huge profits with us. You can join it via the link below the description. Before we can execute the strategy, we need to add 3 indicators to the chart. The first indicator we add is the RSI. Click Indicators within TradingView and enter RSI. The second indicator we add is the EMA. Enter EMA and you will see the indicator appear at the first row. Now click this indicator twice as we want it twice on our chart. After adding the indicators, now we will change settings of our indicators. Click Settings of EMA and then click Inputs, change the time frame to 4 hours, and then change the length of EMA 9 to 50. Now click on Style and change its color to white to make it more visible. Now we will change settings of second EMA, click on Settings and change its color so we can see it clearly. You now see that one EMA indicator moves a bit further from the price, and that one EMA indicator moves close to the price. Now that all the indicators are in the right place, we can start with the strategy. Before we start analyzing, we always look at where the price moves compared to the 50 EMA indicator. Does the price moves above this line, then we can only open long positions. Does the price moves below this line, then we can only open short positions. Here on the chart you can see that the price is moving well above the 50 EMA, so now we can only open long positions. This means that you are trading against the trend. Once we know where the price moves compared to the 50 EMA, we look for an overbought or oversold signal on the RSI indicator. Since the price is now moving in an uptrend and we are only allowed to open long positions, we are looking for an oversold signal on the RSI. The RSI is oversold when the purple line moves over the bottom line of the indicator. This is an oversold signal. This means that the price may continue to rise as we are already moving in an uptrend. As soon as we see an oversold signal, we remain alert as we are close to opening a long position. The only thing we are waiting for are 2 other confirmations. The first confirmation is a green Heikin Ashi candle. A green Heikin Ashi candle is a strong confirmation that the price may rise further. Here you see a oversold RSI, at the same time a green Heikin Ashi candle. As a final confirmation, we want to see a green Heikin Ashi candle close above the other EMA indicator that is moving close to the price. Here you can see a green Heikin Ashi candle closed above EMA. We now open a long position with a risk-reward ratio of 2. We set our stop loss below the last low and place our take profit target twice as high. As you can see, this was an easily profitable long position. Now I will show you example of opening short position. What we look at first is where the price moves compared to the long-term EMA. We now see the price moving below the EMA. This means that we can only open short positions. These are positions that you earn from when the price falls. Now we are looking for an overbought signal on the RSI. This indicates the RSI. When the purple line now moves over the top line, we immediately see an overbought signal. Here, so we can immediately look at a possible short position. Here we can see RSI is an overbought area and the price action is moving below the 50 EMA. Now we will see a red candle closing below the EMA indicator, so this is the right time to enter short position. We place our stop loss above the high point again, and we place the take profit target twice as high. This brings us to a risk-reward ratio of 2. You can see that this strategy also works well in a downtrend. But that's not all. This strategy gets much better and more profitable. If you are wondering what platform I open buy and sell positions on, it is on Bybit. On this cryptocurrency exchange you can easily open buy and sell positions with or without leverage and over 150 cryptos, and you can use 100x leverage. It means you can make your profit 100 times faster, but of course you will lose 100 times faster too. I myself use this exchange for my daily trading, and I do so because it is a reliable platform and I can use a 4-price layout. If you also want to trade on this exchange, you can visit Bybit via the link below this video. Bybit also has a $4,000 sign-up bonus and many more gifts, so that's definitely interesting as well. I'll show you some more examples of the strategy. We'll pick up the pace now. Before we open a position, we first want to know whether the price is moving in an uptrend or downtrend. Here on the chart we see the price moving in an uptrend as the long-term EMA moves below. So we are now waiting for an oversold RSI. We see here at the RSI was oversold several times. I go through them all and I start on the left. Here we can see a oversold RSI and a green candle closing above the EMA, so we will enter our long position here. We place our stop loss at last low, and you can see this position closed in loss. After few time you can see there is one more oversold signal from RSI. And green Heikin Ashi candle closing above the EMA, so we will open long position here. As you can see, this position closed in profit. Again, after few time RSI shows us a oversold signal. And a green Heikin Ashi candle closing above the EMA, so we will enter our long position here. With the amazing risk-reward ratio of 2, we closed our position again in profit. I will show you some more examples so you understand this strategy very well. You can see this continues over and over again, making this a hugely profitable strategy. In a matter of just one day we opened 6 positions, of which 4 closed profitably. On these 4 profitable positions we earned back 2 times our investment, resulting in a total win of 8 times. We lost 2 positions, so we are left with 6 times our investment as profit, and that only within one day. In a downtrend this strategy is just as profitable as in an uptrend, so there are opportunities every day.